let's try to learn this subtraction. So it is 9. If I want to get the 2 digit, I have to add 3, then it will be 9. Sorry, it will be 12, correct? So there will be 3. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. Then I have taken one extra bit because we have assumed here it is higher bit 12. So this one I have taken extra bit, that means borrow bit. This borrow has to be added with this one, na? Correct? Has to be added with 7. So here it will be
Yes,
what?
sir.
It will be 8. Okay. Now 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. So I will get again 8. Again there will be another borrow because it is lower and it is higher value. So this one here we do not have anything, means we have 0. So 0 plus 1 means 1. So finally I have to perform 7 minus 1 means 6. Okay. So in this way we try to perform the normal subtraction in decimal. So whatever the
Yes, sir.
borrow is taken, we add in the digit, corresponding digit of B. Okay, corresponding digit of B. This is the
Yes,
fundamental
sir.
rule. Now let's start. So here we have 1 minus 0. So it is process 1, it is process 2, it is process 3, and it is process 4. 1 minus 0, it comes in the process 3, correct? It comes
Yes,
under
sir.
process 3. So resultant will be 1. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Now
sir.
let's check this
Yes,
one.
sir.
0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. So it is 1 and borrow 1. So resultant is 1 but borrow 1. Like this borrow. If I am having any borrow, the borrow has to be added with this data. Like here we had 6 over here. Please mute your mic. Mute your mic. Hmm. So I have to add over here. So when I add this borrow part over here, so 1 plus 1, because 1 plus 1, okay, so I will get 1 plus 1 where in addition it is 0 and carry 1. So now this 1 has been changed and it will be 0, okay, because it is the resultant. Now it is carry 1, C1, again carry 1. Carry 1 has to be added with this term. So again 1 plus 1, this one is belongs to carry 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 means 0, again carry 1. So here this 1 has to be removed, then it place should be occupied by 0. Then carry 1, this carry. Now here it is 0. 0, this is 0. 0, then carry 1, this carry 1. Okay, carry 1. Then 1, that means 1. So here this 0 has to be removed by 1. Okay, now there is no forward process. Okay, so now we can subtract this data and this data. So 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 means this one, so 1. Then 0 minus 0, so process 1, so 0. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, again process 2. So resultant 1 but with borrow 1. As we have borrow 1, I have to add this borrow term with 1. Okay, with 1. So then what will happen? This 1 plus borrow 1 after adding, so I will get resultant 0. Then this one has to be replaced by 0, but here it is carry 1. Again this carry bit will be added with this 0. So 0 plus carry 1. So 0 plus 1 means 1. So this 0 has to be replaced by 1. Okay. Now up to this we have already performed this subtraction. Then we encounter this term 1 0. So 1 minus 0, that is 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. 1 minus 0, that is 1. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm asking those
Yes,
who
sir.
are facing the binary subtraction, not to all. Okay. So those guys, please
Sir,
respond.
sir,
Now it is clear.
sir, one more example.
Okay. Again, one more example.
Sir,
Okay.
can you
Sir,
show
I
slide number
have
47 firstly for once?
47. It is 47.
Addition
This
one. Sir, addition one.
addition. You should have made the notes, na? You should have made
Sir,
the note.
it's the slide move as you fast.
Sir, please share this
Okay, sir.
slide.
I told several times sharing slide is not possible. The thing is that if I share the slide, all the students will consult this slide only. Okay, nobody will consult books. Okay, we are here to that means to learn the topic. So that's why if any material is required, corresponding material which is not possible, which cannot be found in any books or something, then we can provide. Okay, but not slide, because during our chalk and board classroom, we do not provide any slide or something. We normally teach on the blackboard. You have to take the note. Okay, so let's consult another
Sir, we
another
miss the
example.
note, then we have. Sir, if we miss something in the class, then we write from the slides. That's why I was.
If you miss anything, you can consult the video lecture and you can consult that one. You can write the same thing. Okay, so that's why we are recording everything. So it is better to consult this one. Let's start this recording session. Recording has been started or not? Yes, somebody has started the recording already.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, going on.
Okay, thank you. So let's consult the another subtraction, because somebody faced the issue. Okay, now I have another subtraction. Now this
Sir, one
now it is,
question.
yes, what?
Sir, if at last it comes 0 minus 1, when, sir, then we will take borrow from where, sir?
You don't have to write the borrow term, because we suppose we have we have 2-bit subtraction. Suppose here you got 1 and you got 0 1 or carry 1. Suppose borrow 1 or carry 1, something happened, so only 2 bits will be displayed, na? So last carry or borrow bit cannot be stored. We do not have provision, so that's why it will never be shown. Only it will shown those 2 bits only. Okay, because we are performing some n number of bit and n is fixed. Okay, so let's consult these subtractions over here. Again, it is BA and it is B. Okay, so now it is 0 minus 1. The second rule has to be performed. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 0 minus 1
Yes, sir.
means it is 1 and borrow 1. Okay, borrow 1. This borrow 1 has to be added with this 0. So 0 plus borrow 1. B means borrow. Okay, then you have to perform 0 1. So add 1. So this 0 has to be replaced by 1. Now you subtract 1 minus 1, that is 0. Then again 0 1. So again 1 and borrow 1. This borrow 1 has to be added with this 1. So 1 plus borrow 1. So 1 plus 1 means 0 plus carry 1. So this 1 has to be replaced by this 0. Then carry 1. Carry 1 has to be added with this 0. 0 plus carry 1. So 0 plus 1 means 1. So this 0 will be replaced by 1. Okay, now you perform these subtractions up to this process, because we have already done this one. So 0 minus 0, it is 0. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 0 minus 1, again this process, so borrow 1. So again 1 and borrow 1. Now this borrow 1 will be added to this one. So 1 plus borrow 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 0 plus carry 1. So this 1 will be replaced by this 0 and carry 1. Carry 1 will be added with this 0. 0 plus carry 1. Carry 1 means this carry 1. So 0 plus 1 means 1. So this 0 will be removed or will be replaced by 1. Now you perform the subtractions from this one, 1 minus 0, that is 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. And let's check the answer.
Doubt.
What doubt?
Sir, in second step, that second number,
Second
0
number.
plus borrow 1.
Yes.
Borrow 1 we have done.
Yes.
Means that again we have to borrow 1 extra.
Why? We have performed this borrow has to be taken this one, na? 0 minus
0
1.
plus.
Why 0 plus 1? This 0 minus 1, this step resultant 1
Yes,
and
sir.
borrow 1, this borrow. Okay, Now this borrow has to be added with B bits. B is the bottom one. So here we have 0. So 0 plus 1. So now
That's
1
one.
plus 1. Sorry, 0 plus 1 means 1. This one I have
Again
written over
borrow
here.
0 plus 1, again borrow 1 we have to do. With that,
Where borrow 1 it is coming? You,
a second
I
step.
think
Sir.
in which step? How can you understand? It is first, it is second, it is third, fourth. Which one?
Second, that one. Second one, sir.
This one?
Second. Yes, sir.
Oh God. 0, 1. How to perform these subtractions? You tell me first. Which process should I follow out of this one? Let's take this one example. 1, 2, 3 minus 90 minus suppose 6, 7. How to perform this subtraction? Tell me what is the resultant over here? यहाँ पे बोलो कितना होगा?
Sir, इसमें
Oh God. You don't know
56.
decimal subtraction? I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
talking about 56. I'm talking about which bit should I write over here? Which bit should I write over here? God.
2, 5, 6.
Which bit should I write over here? 2, 5 or 6? Which?
2.
I don't know. How did you? Wait, anybody knows how to perform 3 minus 7? What bit should I write over here?
6,
Six.
sir.
Yes,
Six.
yes.
Six.
It is 6, but the guys doesn't know how to perform this decimal subtraction.
56.
I'm
Answer.
not talking about 56 answer. I'm talking about the first bit. You learn
Six.
step by step. 6. Then
5,
you
6.
ha-
5,
then
6, sir. 5, 6.
it is
Borrow
very
one and
difficult.
add one,
Carry
sir.
1.
It is extremely difficult. You try to listen first what I am asking and give the answer correspondingly. Asking in the first bit which answer should I write? I cannot write 56 to be single position. I should write 6. Answer should be 6. Then, but it is the lower value, it is higher value. So I have to take one borrow because 10 has been added with 13. Okay. So this one has to be added with 6 or 2. Which one should I add? In which bit should I add this borrow 1? That means 10. This one I have to add now.
So 6.
You
6.
have to
So
add
6
it with 6.
6 plus 1 means 7. Now 6 will be replaced by 7. Correct? 6
Yes,
will be replaced by 7. Then 2, then 5. Sorry, then 2, then 7. Then I have to again borrow 1. That means I have to assume here it is 12, then 7, then 5. Now I have taken borrow 10. That means 1. So here we have 0. 0 plus 1 means replace 1. So 1 minus 0, so 0. So final result is 56. So in this way we got. We are applying the same process here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 0 minus 1. So resultant 1. So resultant 1. So borrow 1. This borrow 1 has to be added with this 0. So 0 plus 1 means 1. Now 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. So 0. Okay. So in this way you are proceeding.
Okay.
Then 0 minus 1. So again this process. Resultant is 1. Now you got na. So you
Yes,
try to solve first decimal subtraction. Otherwise, what will happen? The same process is same. You do not have to remember anything. Process is same. Okay.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
sir, I have written one question in chat box, sir. Please one solve that.
We will solve all the mathematics during our tutorial class. It is not even possible everything, na.
No, sir, that is binary subtraction.
Let's start to solve over here today's class. If we still stuck only subtraction, I told the procedure. You give the solution, your friend will correct. It is not possible to solve all the problem over here, na. You solve and give the solution, your friend will correct. If your friend is unable to solve this one, then we will solve. Otherwise, keep this problem, we will solve in the tutorial class in Wednesday if we take any tutorial class. Let's try to solve it. We are stuck in the same thing, we are moving in a loophole. Binary subtraction is very easy. Okay, so let's try to solve over try to start our today's class. Okay, because we have limited time. Not in within 10-hour lecture, 10 classes, we have to solve lots of things. So today we will. It is already 2:30. Today we will try to learn arts complement. Okay, today we will try to learn arts complement. So arts can take any value. R can take 10, R can take 2, R can take 16, R can take 8, anything, doesn't matter. So R is the base. So if I want to find R's complement of any number n, then the formula is, it should be
So what
should be,
does R signifies?
I told base, R can be 10, I just told na, R can be 10, 2, 16, 8. What does it signify? It is the decimal number system, it is the binary number system, it is the hexadecimal number system, it is the octal number system. Okay, R can take any value.
Yes.
Okay, is it clear right now?
Yes, I got.
Okay. Now, the first example. Suppose I want to find the tens complement of a particular digit. Here here the digit is given by n. N is nothing but 52,520. Okay. If this is so, then how to perform this operation? The formula is given by this one. So I have to write this formula. So I have written this formula. Then R, here R is 10 because you follow the process. It is R's complement, it is 10's complement. So R equal to 10. Up to this, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So
Yes,
then
sir.
R equal to 10. Then, so what is the value of small n? What is the value of small n?
Sir,
1,
5.
2,
5, sir.
3,
5.
4, 5. Very good. 5. So small n is 5. Okay. So it should be 10 to the power 5 minus 52520 because it is n is given by this value. You perform this one, you will get this result. So it is the tens complement of this n. Is it clear or is there any doubt?
Clear, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. Is there anyone who is facing issue? I'm asking to weak students only. Okay. Is there anyone who is facing issue? Because in the next class we will start our new topic, logic gates. Okay. This is our last class. Is there any issue? Is there any issue?
So what was small n?
Small n. What is
Sir,
written over here? Small
binary
n.
subtraction.
What is written over here? Small n. Can you see this one? What is written?
Yes, sir, equal to 5.
How did I get the 5? Count the number, na? 1 bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, 5 bit.
Okay, yes,
So
sir,
you
yes,
got-
sir, got it, sir.
Hello,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, can't we count those bits from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4?
Why? Number of bits we are talking about, na? We are not talking about power.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Next example.
Will you please
Yes?
repeat it?
Oh. Which part you are facing issue? In which
Sir,
portion?
Sir, the example 1 actually. I didn't get the point r to the power n minus n.
It is the formula, na? We have to follow the formula. We cannot derive that formula. Na? It is the process by which we can find the R's complement of any number. Okay. So it is the formula. Okay. R to the power small n minus capital N. So for this purpose, I have taken one example. It is tens complement. So here it is R's complement. So here tens complement. So R equal to 10. So you have to observe. So here R's complement of this one. So tens complement capital N. Okay. Now it is the n. I told n is total number of bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So small n equal to 5. So now we know R, we know small n, we know capital N. Substitute. This is the value r to the power small n and then n, and you will get this result. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again in the second
Sir?
example. Yes.
Sir, 0 is count to be a bit?
Yes, obviously, why not?
तो टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ 0
यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है फॉर्मूला?
r to the power n minus n
यहाँ पे क्या फॉर्मूला है?
0.
So you observe this one, na? Then ask the question. If capital
How
N
it-
is already 0, then it should be 0, na? It is already given. Huh? So tens complement, second example. So let's go to second example. So tens complement of this number. Okay. So now how many bits are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it this one or n equal to 0? Which one should be the correct answer? The thing is that
Sir,
the thing
4.
is that why 4? You
Zero.
don't follow my class. A B C D dot E F
Sir, we have
G.
to take the most significant digits only, I guess.
No, dear, no. You follow all my lecture properly. I gave the solution. Here decimal. Before the decimal, I use small n. After the decimal, I use small
Minus
n.
n.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
M.
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
I
yes, sir,
remember.
yes,
And
sir.
here we have n, small n. So
Yes,
we
sir.
cannot take this
Right.
4.
Yes, sir.
N
Okay,
will be
so
0 here.
all lectures are related. You have to remember. All lectures are related. So here we do not have any data in this part. Okay, because the 0 can be omitted. So n, small n should be 0. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No.
No,
Okay,
sir.
very good. Okay, now I have to find tens complement of this one. So now r equal to 10 we know. Small n, because as per our nomenclature, so n and capital in n is already given. So substitute. So you will get this result. Is it clear? Is it clear? Can we go to next
Yes,
slide?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we go to next slide? Okay, go to next slide.
Yes.
Now, example 3. I want to find tens complement of this. Now I have small n also. I have small m also. Okay. But we do not have any solution using small m. So I have to take only small n. So here small n how? 1, 2. What is the value of small n? 2. Clear? 2. Very good. So it is tens complement means r equal to 10. Small n equal to 2 because we obtain 2 and capital N is already given by this data. So you substitute, you will get the result. Okay? Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Next
sir.
move.
Okay.
Next move. Very good. Very good. Next move. 2's complement of particular number. 2's complement. Formula. So here I know only one formula. 2's complement of this one. So it is 2's complement. Sorry, it is r's complement. It is 2's complement. So now r equal to 2. Is it clear? R equal to 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's talk about
Yes,
small
sir.
n. Small n. Now it is the capital N. It is the
Six.
capital N. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's small n is 6. Is it clear? Is it clear?
sir. Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
now I have to write 2 to the power 6 means 128. 2 to the power 6 means 128. No. Yes, 128. So
Sir,
it is
64, sir.
it is in
64.
2 raised to power 6
sir,
is 64. 2 raised to power 7
64.
is 128.
Okay, 64. Sorry, it was my mistake. It was my mistake. Thank you. So it is in decimal. It is in decimal. Okay. So
Yes,
I have,
sir.
but it is in binary. So I have to convert this decimal into binary. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So after conversion, you will get this value because we already learned how to convert this binary. So we
Yes,
are
sir.
not repeating those things. So if you convert this decimal point to binary, you will get this result. So now we have 2 binary subtraction, you will get this result. Okay. So just learn the
Sir.
process. Just learn the process. Okay. Is
Sir,
it
can't
clear?
we convert this binary into decimal?
Yes, you can convert. But if we give the question, find the 2's complement of this one, and if you do not show those steps, your marks will be reduced. Na? We are not
Yes,
talking
yes,
about
sir.
perform. We are not talking about perform this minus this. So this is the
Yes.
process how to perform. Okay.
When we are finding 2's complement, the answer should be only in the base 2, not in decimal.
Yes, that's why. That's why. Then he or she
Yes,
has
sir.
to again
Yes, sir, yes,
reconvert into decimal to binary. Okay.
Sir.
Is it okay? Process is clear or not? Don't bother about how to do subtraction, because if you practice 1 or 2 binary subtraction, then it will be clear. Okay.
Sir.
Because you follow my slide, then it will be clear. हाँ बोलो क्या है?
In 2 power 6 is in a decimal system, sir. We have converted to binary system.
Yes, I told na, it is in decimal.
Yes,
that's why 10 is given.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, as if 2 power 6 means we have to express in 6-bit system, sir. But they are 7 bits.
Who told 6-bit system? 2 to the power 6 means 6-bit system. Who told?
Sir, we have to convert to in 6 bits, sir.
Who told it should be 6-bit?
You have told the 2 power 4 means 4.
Then you follow the lecture properly. I never told 2 to the power 6 means it is always 6-bit. I am telling, suppose octal. Octal, what is the maximum number of bit we can express? That is 0 to 7. Okay,
Yes, sir.
how to express 7? 7 can be written in the form of 8 minus 1. And then 8 can be written in the form of 2 to the power 3.
2 to the power
then minus 1. In this case, it should be 3-bit. But do not mismatch this thing with this thing. Those are totally different. Those are totally different. We are getting a simple digit. We don't know how many bits should be there. Then we have to convert into binary. Doesn't matter how many bits it has come.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good. Good. Let's move to your doubt is clear, na? This doubt is clear, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, again, example 5. Let's try to solve this one. 2's complement of this number. So here, before that small n, after the decimal, normally we get small m. It is 2's complement. So r should be 2. Is it clear? R should be 2. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
what is the value of small m? Small n. What is the value of small n?
0.
0,
Zero.
0.
Zero, sir.
Very good, because we do not have any integer value. So n equal to 0. Capital N is nothing but this thing, capital N, and it is given in binary. It is given in binary. So I have this formula. I have written this formula now, 2 to the power n equal to 0, and it is in decimal. So you have to convert it. So after conversion, you will get again 1, because 1 is decimal. If you divide by 2, okay,
Yes,
so there
sir.
will be again 1. Okay, so 1
2 raised to
minus
power
this
0.
data. So you can perform 1 minus this data means 1.1234 1.0000 and this one. So 0.0110. So you can perform subtraction. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 0 minus 1, 1, and borrow 1. Then borrow 1 means you have to add this 1. So it will be removed to 0. Then carry 1. Carry 1 will be added to this 0. So it will be 1. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1 means 1, borrow 1. Then borrow 1 will be added with this 0. So 1, 0. So now place this decimal point 0. So this is my result. Okay. So you just follow the process. Don't remember anything. Some formula has to be remembered, obviously. Yes. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we convert the binary part into decimal? Then we will subtract the 2 decimal number. After that, then we will convert it into again binary.
Yes, you can do. I do not have any issue. We can solve it. But how to convert binary or fractional binary to decimal? You have to multiply by 2, na, several times. If you okay, so if you are flexible with multiplication, do it. I do not have any issue. Okay. So to avoid those multiplication and or divisions, we try to avoid conversion of decimal.
वो सोचो कारण क्यों काट रही है
That is the main reason.
ये ले रहा है क्या ही रह
Okay.
जाए
Can we go to next slide?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
from
sir. Sir, why we are not putting 0 as a bit?
The thing is that if we do not have any bit, then how can we take it complement, na? That's why. Now again, r's complement we have learned. Now it is r minus 1's complement. Formula is same except this data. Clear or not? Except this bit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, r
Yes,
to the
sir.
power minus m has to be subtracted. So first example, r minus 1's complement we have to find. Here it is 9's complement we have to find. So r minus 1 equal to 9. So r equal to how much? 10. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now capital N is this one. Okay, now this is the before the decimal point we have a small n, after the decimal point we have small m. So what is the value of small n? What is the value of small n?
5.
5.
5.
5.
1 2
Five.
3
Five,
4
sir.
5. So small n equal to 5. What is the value of small m? What is the value of small m?
0.
Very good, very good. So m equal to 0. So now we know r, now we know small n, we know small m, and we know capital N. You substitute. Okay, so 10 to the power 5, r to the power n means 10 to the power 5, then minus r to the power minus m means 10 to the power minus 0, then minus capital N. So you substitute all those and use normal calculator, you will get this result. Okay, can you move? Let's solve another
Yes, sir.
problem. It will be clear. Let's solve another problem. It is example
Sir, we
2.
cannot do this with previous formula.
What? We cannot?
We cannot do this with previous formula.
No, it is the formula. Na? Initially it was r's complement. Now we are solving r minus 1's complement. Okay, so that is the difference. So example 2, again we have to find 9's complement of this data. So obviously this should be capital N. Correct? Correct? This should be capital N.
Yes,
Now
sir.
r minus 1's complement, here it is 9's complement. So r minus 1 equal to 9. So r equal to 10. So now we got r. Before the decimal point we normally get small n. After the decimal point we normally get small m. So n equal to 0. Correct? Because we do not have
Yes,
any
sir.
data over here.
Yes,
And
sir.
capital and small m equal to 1 2 3 4.
4, sir. 4.
Correct? Is it clear? So we know now we got small n equal to 0, small m equal to 4. Okay, and we already know capital N. Now you substitute this, use this formula. You use this formula. So 10 to the power small n means 0. Then r to the power minus m means 10 to the power minus m means 4, and then minus capital N. So you perform all those things, you substitute. So after performing those two, we will get this data. So you substitute, you will get this data. Is
I
it
want
clear?
to ask something.
Yes. What?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Then to ask that it's given that r minus 1's complement is equal to this thing
Yes.
of n.
Yes.
Then n must be in the form of r's base.
Yes.
Like it's here, it's 9's complement of 0.3267 in decimal. So it 9 plus 1 is the base.
Why 9 plus 1? Why 9 plus 1? Because
It's
okay,
base 10,
yes,
sir.
9 plus 1 means yes, r is equal to 10. Yes, it is correct. Yes, r equal to 10. Then
Should be always like that, na?
we have to understand. It is one mathematical formula is given, correct? And I want to solve this problem using same formula. You make similarity. Here it is r minus 1's complement, and here it is 9. Okay, then make this simple, na? In class 10, we normally solve r minus 1 should be equal to 9. The question can come how to identify which formula should I use. Should I use this formula or should I use r to the power n minus n, this formula? But when we use this formula, I use normally r equal to 10 directly. Okay, r equal to 2 directly. But when we have to use this formula, then you will encounter either 9 either 7, either 15 or 1. When
Sir,
we take
I'm
9,
asking that only, that it can't be
Yes.
other than these things.
yes,
It
other-
can
it
be
can
eighth
be.
complement also.
Yes, because the thing is that when we are writing 9, so I have to identify which number system they are talking. So I know decimal. So it is, so R should, if
Yes,
it
sir.
is 7's
My doubt is
complement,
clear.
if it is 7, then R should be equal to 8.
8.
If it is 15, R should be equal to
It's
16.
16.
If it is
And it
1,
has
R
to be
should be
2.
equal to 2. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Good question. Good question. Now, example 3. Again, similar
Sir,
process,
that means
R minus. Yes, that means.
that R minus one, this formula we will use when R is means odd number.
You have to understand by observing the question. I have n. So, okay, that means here it is a 9. Then in 7, in 15, and likewise, okay, it is always odd as per our formula. Then by this observation you can make this conclusion. Okay, by this observation. Okay, by this observation you can make these conclusions. When it is odd, then we can perform this one. Yes, you can make it, but it is always better observe the question, because we are learning. If I give another problem, then you have to apply the same rule, same process. Okay.
Sir, what will you do when we will have to find R minus 1's complement of a integer?
Have you consulted this slide number 55? Have you listened that slide?
Yes, sir. I'm
It is
confused.
integer, na? It is integer, na? 5,000, sorry, 52,520. It is integer, na?
Well, sir, if we don't use r to the power minus m in the formula, then the result will come differently. That's why it's confusing.
No, what is your query? I want to find 10's complement or 9's complement. You first specify your question. I want to find 9's complement, not 10's complement. So
Yes.
if it is 9's complement, so you have to use R minus 1's complement formula, and the formula is this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you
Yes,
have to process the formula. Okay. There is nothing. You cannot skip this one. Okay. Now your doubt is clear, na?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now, let's coming back to our slide number 3. Sorry, slide number 57, example 3. So it is again 9's complement of this data. Here we have integer and fractional both part. So again R minus 1 equal to 9. So R equal to 10. Now I got R. So we got R. We have decimal point. Before the decimal we have small n. After the decimal we have small m. Here we have 1, 2. So small n equal to 2. And for to find the small m, it is 1, 2, 3. So small m equal to 3. Okay. So now we got all the data. And this is nothing but capital N. Now we know n. So all this is known, because 10 to the power 2, r to the power minus m is 3. So 10 to the power minus 3, then n is known. So substitute, you will get this result. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good.
Yes,
Any student, any
Yes,
student
sir.
facing any issue? Any student facing any issue?
Sir, there is some
No,
mistake
sir.
in the last step of calculation. It's a
Sir,
25.639
10
Okay.
and it will be
Okay, typographical error.
99.999, I guess.
Typographical error, na? Typographical
Yes, sir.
error. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's
sir. It
it.
is okay.
It is
Answer is
typographical
fine, but
error. Okay.
answer is
Okay.
fine.
You have to correct it. Such kind of, because I have typed. That is the main issue. First, we have to
Yes,
make
sir, I
the
can
type in the
understand.
word. Then we have to copy paste. Otherwise, we cannot make the slide, na? So it is typographical error. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your correction. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? What is your roll number? Who correct that slide? What is your roll number?
720 mm 1023
720
1023.
1023. You got 1 marks today's class. आज का
Thank you,
date
sir.
कितना है? आज का date है 11 December. Okay, all will be counted under TA marks, 20 marks. Okay.
Yes.
Let's go to next slide. Fourth example. Here the problem comes. The problem is I have to find 1's complement. Okay, 1's complement now. So 1, so that means r minus 1 should be 1. So r minus 1 equal to 1. So r equal to 2. So my base is 2. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we do not have any decimal fraction part. So here we have decimal. So all should be counted under small n. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
5, 6. So small n equal to 6. So small n equal to 6. So we do not have any fractional part. Okay, we do not have any fractional part. So m equal to 0.
0.
Okay, so m equal to 0. And we already know this is, equal to capital N. Okay, now we know this value, we know this value, substitute. Okay, now calculation. Now it is in decimal, So this whole data is in decimal, but here it is in binary. So this data has to be converted into binary. So we have converted into binary. Okay, then we have performed this subtraction using subtraction rule. You will get this data. Okay, is it clear? Is the process is clear?
Yes, sir.
Is this
Yes,
process
sir.
is
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Anyone is facing any
Yes,
issue?
sir.
Anyone facing
No,
any
sir.
issue?
Sir, I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Yes.
Sir, we have solved this question using r minus 1's complement. Can we
Yes.
solve this taking as r's complement, taking r equal to 1?
What is the problem over here? Define the problem first.
No,
The
I have no
problem
problem here.
The problem is it is in the problem it is given we have to find 1's complement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to find 1's complement. So what is the nearest one? That means 1 cannot be accounted under octal or hexadecimal. It should be accounted into the binary, na? So then that means we have to perform r minus 1's complement formula.
I didn't get it.
Okay, because in the question I can also give find the 7's complement of this of some data. Then you can define new mathematics, doesn't matter, but 7 is nearest to octal 8. So r minus 1 it is 7, that means r equal to 8. So in this way we try to find the nearest base. Okay, so that is the process. Now you observe 1 0 1 1 0 0 it is given, correct? And what is our formula? What is our result we got? Oh, skirt कहाँ चला गया? Okay, let's write again. 1 0 1 1 0 0. It is n given, and our result we obtain 0 1 0 0 1 1. You check all 0 and 1 are interchanged in the result section. All 0 and 1 are interchanged. This 0 is interchanged to 1, this 0 1, this 1 to 0, this 1 to 0, this 0 to 1, and this 1 to 0. Okay, so it is one observation. Okay, so in 1's complement, if any question is given, then find the 1's complement. Answer will be 0 0 1 1. If I give 1 0 1 1 0, find the 1's complement. Answer will be 0 1 0 0 1. You do not have to perform those mathematics. Okay, that is the trick. How to find the 1's complement. Okay.
So, but it's only working when there is no decimal, na? Only for integers, or
No,
also for decimal.
that is also same. Let's wait.
Okay,
Let's see whether it is applicable or not. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Now here another problem. 1's complement and n is given. So I am not repeating the process. The process is same, na? Find small n equal to 0 and small m equal to 1 2 3 4. So m is 4, small n is this one, and capital N is given. Then you perform those calculation like earlier. You have to convert into decimal to binary here. Then you convert. Question was given this one. Find, and our result is as per our mathematics, we got this one. Now you check, all 0 or 1 is converted to 1 and 0 respectively. So 0 is converted to 1, sorry, 0 is converted to 1, 1 is converted to 0, then this 1 is converted to 0, and this 0 is converted to 1. Okay, so if I give 1 0 0 0 0 1 and find this 1's complement, my answer should be 01.110. Is it clear? Is it clear? Without doing all those numerical calculation, we can directly write just by changing 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fully.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now this is our last topic. This is our last topic. Let's move little bit fast. We have only 10 minutes. Okay, I want to perform m minus n. You follow the notation, capital M, capital N, and small n and m are used to find the number of digits. Okay, so those notations are different, and I want to perform this m minus n using R's complement. Correct? Okay, this is my objective. So this is the rules. You write down those rules in your copy. Please write down those rules in your copy. In your copy, please write down the rules. Please write down the rules. Oh, just wait 1 minute. Let me download dependency. Okay, please write down the rules. Step 1, step 2, step 3. In step 1, if in a particular problem, m and capital N will be given, and the value of R will be given. Let's check, suppose 12 minus 5, perform using 2's complement. So m is 12, n is 5, and R equal to 2. So in this way, question can be given. Okay, so step 1 is find R's complement of capital N. Suppose it is A. After finding the complement, then you have to add m to A. So A plus m you have to perform. Then suppose resultant is B. Then in step 3, if the end carry occur, then discard it. That is the result. If there is no end carry, then you have to perform the R's complement and place negative sign. Just you write these steps while solving the problem. It will be easy. Okay, can you solve the problem? Can you solve? Have you written? Everybody has written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try to solve.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Let's try to
Yes,
solve
sir.
one problem, then concept will be clear. Okay, what is the question over here? I have to find something minus something. So as per our nomenclature, capital M will be 72,532. Agree? It is my M.
Yes, sir.
Then it is my N. So N will be this one. How many bits in the M? It is a 5 bit. So small m, N equal to 5. How many bits? It is 4.
4 bits.
4. So we cannot solve. So we have to make this change. 0, 3, 2, 5, 0. Now small n equal to 5. Number of bits should be same to perform any mathematics. Okay, you have to remember.
Yes.
Up to this, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So 2 steps are there. In one step, I have to perform. The question is given 10's complement. So I have to perform 10's complement of capital N. You check your step 1 and step 2. Then you have to add. So while performing the 10's complement of capital N, we have to use this formula. r to the power n minus capital N, this formula, because it is tens complement.
Yes, sir.
So we have used this formula. Capital N is already given. We got this one. Process is clear, na? Process is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have, suppose we are talking about, suppose this is A. This is A. Then you have to perform, then you have to add this M. So we have to perform A plus M as per our nomenclature, correct? That means steps. So we have M. M is given by this value. So 72,532 and A is given. So you perform addition. You perform addition. You will get 169287.
9282.
Correct? Okay. Oh, sorry, 82. Yes. How many bits? How many bits?
6.
6, sir.
6
Six,
bits.
sir. 6 bits.
In
Six,
original
six
problem,
bits.
in original problem, how many bits were there? In original problem,
Five.
five. So
Five.
there is a carry bit. So there is a carry bit, end carry. This is a carry bit, end carry. So if end carry occurs, so I have to use 3A. 3A rule, not 3B. Okay? Is it clear? So as per 3A,
Yes, sir.
if end carry, so discard it. So I have to discard this end carry. I have to discard this end carry. Okay, now take this data only. So my resultant will be M minus N is nothing but 69282. You perform normal operations and you will get also same result. Okay. Is there any doubt?
So end carry is the extra first digit.
Extra, yes.
Or
extra
whatever
first
extra
digit.
first digit, number
Yes,
of first
yes,
digit.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. You will always get 1 because the thing is
Yes,
that it
sir,
is
both the
decimal,
same.
because 0 to 9, 9 plus 9, 18. So you have to write 8 and carry 1. So always it will be 1. Okay. You will never get 2, 3 something.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? Can we move to the next example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next example. We have just reversed the number. We have just reversed the number. In the earlier problem, 69282. 69282. So my answer should be here 69282, but with a minus sign. Correct? I should get this answer.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes,
But
sir.
the problem is,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
but
sir.
the problem is, yes. Okay. But the problem is I have to use R's complement. That means tens complement. So as per my problem, now capital M equal to this one. So nothing but I have to make it 03250 to make it 5 bit, and N is given. So N is 5 bit. What is the step 1? Step 1 is tens complement of capital N. Capital N is this one. And it is tens complement. So I have to use R to the power N minus capital N formula. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No,
So
sir. No, sir.
formula.
No, sir.
So using this formula, we can easily obtain the result. Okay, we can easily obtain the result. Now suppose this is A. As per our assumption, suppose this is A. Now I have to perform A plus M. M is given by this data with a zero padding. So this is M. Then you have to add. So you add those two things. So you will get this data. How many bits are there? How many bits?
5, sir.
How many bits? 5
Five.
bits.
5.
5
bits, sir. 5 bits.
Yes, 5. In the original problem, we have also 5 bit. After performing manipulation, after performing the addition, we also got 5 bit. So there is no end carry. So 3A cannot be done. So we have to go for 3B. Okay. So 3B states what? थोड़ा रुको.
Tens
R's complement of 307118.
If
tens
3B,
complement of B.
yes.
B, sir.
Okay. Just wait one minute.
30718. Tens complement.
Okay. Then tens complement of 30712. So again it is tens complement. So I have to use R to the power N minus N. So I have this formula. So I got this one. Then again one.
After that negative sign.
Yes, place negative sign before this one. So my
Yes, sir.
resultant is this data. Now you check our data. As per our assumption, I should get this result and we got this result. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is the beauty. That is the beauty. Okay, we have another 5 minutes. Let's solve the topic. We have another two mathematics, simple. Okay, let's move. Forget this one. Forget this one. We'll discuss this later. Again, last topic. R minus 1's complement. Subtraction using R minus 1's complement. Okay, same process, but with little bit modification. In modification in step 3 and 3a and 3b, just you write down those steps. Okay, step 1, step 2, step 3. Thoda jaldi karo, because last 1 or 2 mathematics we have to say, then the topic will be completed. Okay, can we go to the next mathematics? Then it will be easy.
Wait a minute,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sure.
No, sir.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find step 1. Find R minus 1's complement of capital N. So suppose the resultant is suppose A. Then in step 2 we have to add M with A.
Sir, done.
Then suppose, yes, done. Everybody has written. Everybody.
Wait a minute, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. थोड़ा जल्दी करो हाँ. और 5 मिनट में हो जाएगा खत्म. थोड़ा जल्दी करो. Okay. Otherwise, I will give these steps in the material, course material only. Subtraction using R or R minus 1's complement. Okay. Those 2 slides I will share. Don't worry.
Done.
Okay. Now, here, what is the problem? Problem is given this thing and this thing using 1's complement. Nothing is given. So 1's complement means R minus 1 equal to 1. So that means R equal to 2. Okay. So by default, nothing but it is in 2, base 2. So it is in binary. Okay. So nothing will be given. You have to find. So R minus 1 equal to 1. So R equal to 2. So we got this one. So as per our problem, capital M and capital N all are given. And to find in both cases, N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Here N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. So step. We have to find 1's complement of capital N. If it is 1's complement, what was the formula? Small r to the power small n minus r to the power minus capital small m, then minus capital N. It was the formula.
So you can change it 0 to 1 and 1 to 0.
You can do it. No issue. I am talking about simple. Okay. You can, as it is a 1's complement, you can directly make 0 to 1, 1 to 0. So it is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And you see the same result. Okay. So the mathematics is given. So that if anybody facing any issue while performing the complement, he or she can consult these steps also. Okay. But in question, if it is coming in the exam, you have to show those steps. We are talking about only trick. Those trick can be used in Viva or something, not in the answer script. Okay. So if the question comes in the exam, you have to write. So this is A. You have to add M. Okay. Suppose this is M. M is already given. So M is given. So you add. After performing addition, you got one carry bit has been occurred, because here total number of bit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N equal to 8. And here N equal to 7. So one carry bit has been occurred. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So as per 3A rule, end carry occurs. So discard 8 and add 1 to least significant digit. Least significant digit means those digits, those last 7 digits. Okay, so 000 tetra 1, so 000 tetra 1, and we are adding 1. Okay, 1 with least significant digit. So you perform this one, you got this data. Then what is the result? My result is this one, m minus n equal to this one, or you can omit those two left hand zeros. So simple, this one. Is this correct? Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you
Yes,
do not
sir.
have to remember the process for the time being. Try to understand the step. I will give mathematics. You solve those problems by consulting those steps, then it will be clear. Okay. Is there any doubt, or can we move to the next last example? Can we go to the last example? Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sure. So now in this problem, I have performed m minus n. The resultant is 140. I have interchanged m and n. Now it is m. Now it is n. So I in the last problem I got this result. So as the number m and n are changed, I should get this data with some minus sign, because 5 minus 7 and 7 minus 5, the resultant are in opposite sign. So in this problem, capital N and capital N both are given, m and n both are given. Correct? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
What is the value of small n? What is the value of small n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7,
Yes,
sir.
very good. And here small n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
All 7. Very good. So 2 steps. In step 1, one's complement of this one. One's complement of this one will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. And using same mathematics, you can obtain the same result. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, like this. Okay. So I'm not repeating those steps. Should I repeat those steps? Should I repeat?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
Not required, sir.
Okay. Then suppose it is A. Then I have to perform addition with m. So I have to perform a plus m. So m is given by this one. So I have written over here m. Then you add. This is a. This is m. So you add. After performing addition, you got this result. How many bits? How many bits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bits. And here we have also 7 bits.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No end carry.
So that means
No
no
end
end carry. No end carry. Okay. No end carry. Oh, it should be B. Okay. It should be B.
We have another class, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
last 1 minute.
It
Last 1
started,
minute.
sir.
Last 1 minute. Then find the ones complement of this thing, the resultant in the last problem. That means whatever we got, the resultant. Just 1 minute. It is B. So you have to perform the ones complement of the resultant. So you can easily get this one, and then you have to place the negative sign. So result is this one with a negative sign. Here I have to place negative sign. Okay. So that is the end of the class. Okay. Just wait 1 minute. Let me download the list again.
So you had already downloaded it.
Yes, I have already downloaded, but again another one, and let me stop this meeting. Okay, now you can leave. Now you can leave.